Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to split audio tracks in VLC Media Player step by step using simple and easy instructions. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Make sure VLC is already installed, and if it isn't, download and install it from the official VLC website before continuing. Step 2. Go to the top menu and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced Controls. Once enabled, you'll notice extra buttons appear near the play controls at the bottom of the player. These buttons allow you to record and split audio. Step 3. Open and play the audio file you want to split. Move the playback cursor to the exact point where you want the new audio segment to begin. When you're ready, click the red record button to start recording from that point. Step 4. Let the audio continue playing until you reach the point where you want the split to end. Once you reach it, click the red record button again to stop recording. VLC will automatically save the selected portion of the audio as a new file. Step 5. Go to the Tools menu at the top and click on Preferences. This is where you can check or change the location where VLC saves recorded audio files. Step 6. In the Preferences window, click on the Input Codecs. Look for the section related to recording, where you'll see an option called Record Directory or File Name. Step 7. Click on Browse and choose the folder where you want your split audio files to be saved. Pick a location that's easy to find. Then click Select Folder and Save to confirm your changes. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful VLC Media Player tutorials.